Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to make a chatbot in Java. So without further ado, let's begin. We need to create a new project. It's going to be a chatbot. Okay, so let's create a class, our main class. So what's going to happen is in the console we're going to type some commands and the chatbot will reply. So let's create our main method. Now we're going to create an object, scanner object. We import that. Now a while loop, a forever loop. While true, we're going to create a string command, and that's going to equal to scanner dot next line. This basically, we can use this for strings. Now what we're going to do is let's make some commands. So if we'll make some if statements. If command equals to, oh yeah, here's one thing I need to mention. When we are comparing strings, sometimes in this double equal signs will not work. We will need to do dot equals, and then we have our string here. So if our command equals to, let's say, greet me, we're gonna print out hello sir. And what we'll actually do is we'll make it print out welcome to the chatbot. Type in some commands to get started. Do else if command equals to complement me. So we'll print it and make the chat will print something out. It's gonna print you are very kind. Now let's make another, let's make what? Tell me whether. And if we say exit, what we could do is we can do system.exit println exiting. Okay, let's run this. Greet me. Hello sir. Compliment me. You are very kind. Tell me whether it is sunny today. Exit. Exiting. And the command terminates. So that's a simple chatbot in Java. Thank you for watching. If you really like this tutorial, you can please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell for more notifications. And don't worry, you can expand on this if you want. So have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.